I'll translate before Boyan says it. She, so she's from BBC Radio, and she's saying that my team won the Kabaddi League already. So what kind of preparation do we have? And what kind of preparation do we have for football, and how I'm going to be supporting you all? Ma'am, these are all international players. A lot of them represent our nation. A lot of them have represented their own. Most of our international players have represented their nation. Happy? Yeah? Okay. And, we won the first Kabaddi, Pro Kabaddi League, which was a huge blessing. I can take absolutely no credit for that. The credit goes entirely to the Jaipur Pink Panthers, who worked so wonderfully. I expect the same for my boys. They've been training very hard in this heat to go out there and still be training. We've had a few friendly matches in which we've performed well. I'm very positive about the way they've been preparing themselves. A lot of them want to rush back because I have actually pulled them out of training today to come here for the press meet. But I thought it was very important that they get to meet the Mumbai press as well. So they're practicing hard. It's completely up to them. The only support, Mahi, Vita and I can give them is moral support. And that's what I believe in terms of being an owner of a team, is that you have to just be available to your team members, to your players, and make them as comfortable as possible. Strategy, what to do on the pitch, not to do, is up to Marco, who's our manager, and to the players and the management that handles them. We will not be getting involved. I didn't get involved in Kabaddi in that way. I'm just there, as you might have seen, on the sideline, giving them as much support as possible. They should know that the people that are responsible for them being on that pitch are available to them to help them out in whatever. So our job is now more moral support than anything else, and to make sure that they're comfortable and they have everything that they need. The rest, in terms of preparation, is up to the management, is up to Marco, who's our manager, and after all, up to the players and how inspired they are. And they're very inspired right now. They want to make a huge impact. All our international players that are coming in are very excited to be in India. It's a new experience for them. It's a new challenge for them. And for our local players, they really want to go out there and prove that the quality and standard of Indian football is something that the world needs to wake up to. And the greatest thing is everybody believes in the project that we're trying to put together in Chennai. And we want to make it into a success. Having said that, I don't think anybody in the management or in the ownership, I'm not going to expect anything of these people. I'm not going to say, you have to win the cup. I'm just going to go there, play your heart out, do your best. That's all I can ask for. I've been a sportsman myself, so I know at the end of the day, just go out there, do your best. I'm not going to ask for anything else. And keeping in mind the talent that we have, just the talent that you have on the stage right now, I think we're very well equipped to go out there and hopefully win the title.
Hi Abhishek, Alok here from OAFM Center.
Yes, Alok.
मेरा सवाल है कि
तीसरा सवाल था आपका. You're losing ground. You usually ask me the first question.
मैं थोड़ा दूर था आज.
This is the third function you've asked, not the first question. Yeah.
सवाल मेरा ये है कि बचपन की कुछ यादें अगर आपको हों जो आप
भैया अंग्रेजी में पूछ लो, क्योंकि यहाँ कुछ हमारे
सर हिंदी चैनल है मेरा. मैं
हाँ तो हिंदी में जवाब दे दूंगा.
तो चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज कुछ फुटबॉल की आपकी जो आप शेयर करना चाहें, विदेश में खेले हों चाहे अपने देश में खेले हों.
Like most football fans, I'm a terrible footballer. And I'm actually a basketball player, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं. मैंने फुटबॉल खेलना शुरू किया था 3 साल पहले. फुटबॉल देखता बहुत हूँ, लेकिन खेलना 3 साल पहले किया था with my friend Bunty in the All-Star Football Club. I play like two of my friends here. I play centre back, so that's only because I'm tall and I can stand in front of the goal and people can't score then. But I'm a very bad footballer. I'm a great fan though. और बचपन की यादें कुछ नहीं. I think everybody's played football. Football is such a great sport क्योंकि all you need is a ball and that's it. हम सब ने फुटबॉल खेला है बचपन में, चाहे स्कूल में हो या अपने दोस्तों के साथ हो. So I would say to play organized football, I've only started 3 years ago. I hope to be learning a lot from all of these guys here. These are some of the best in the business that we have, and they have great experience. I've seen a lot of them play live as well. I was telling Bernard that I saw him play in Paris a few years ago when I'd gone to see a PSG match. And yeah, PSG is my favorite French team, by the way. I know. Yeah. and we have some wonderful, wonderful talent. Gormangi is on my FIFA Ultimate team. He doesn't know that when I play FIFA. So yeah, the tank who we have now called Tank, because we have to give it an Indian spin. So I'm very, very excited और बहुत खुश हूँ इन सब के साथ. बहुत ही अच्छे खिलाड़ी हैं, and they're very, very good at what they do. So I hope they can fulfill a boyhood, dream of mine, that is to hold a football cup as well.
एंथम भी बनता है, तो इस टीम का भी कोई एंथम, कोई सॉन्ग टाइप का लॉन्च करने
जी हैं, they are actually ready, लेकिन हमें लगा कि आज क्योंकि हम जर्सी रिवील करने जा रहे हैं तो सिर्फ यही करें, और हम ये भी चाहते थे कि माही भी हमारे साथ रहे. माही जैसे आप जानते हैं इज प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर द नेशन राइट नाउ एंड डूइंग अस ऑल वेरी प्राउड. तो जैसे माही अवेलेबल हो जाए वी विल रिवील द एंथम टू यू एज वेल. हमारे 2-3 हैं, एक ही नहीं है, 2-3 हैं. हाँ.
Hi Abhishek,
Yes,
Urvi
yes.
here from
Where?
Gulsham. Yeah, hi.
Hello darling,
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. Abhishek.
Did you like the jersey?
Yes. I
Feel
loved
free to
it.
say that, guys. It makes us
Yes.
feel good. Yeah.
I was just going to say that is it inspired from your favorite team, that is
What do
Chelsea?
you think?
Yes, I think that.
There you got your answer, right?
Abhishek, my question is that in Kabaddi you won the game, you won the league. Do you have any pressure now that you are co-owning a team in football?
Just a correction, I didn't win the league. The
Your team won
the
the
Jaipur Pink Panthers won. I just own the team, and they've done everything. I did absolutely nothing apart from shout like a maniac from the sidelines. Do I have any pressure? No, none at all. I believe in football. I believe in Indian football. I believe in the project that ISL is setting up. A lot of us on this dais today are very excited about the grassroots program that we've put together. And I really do believe, I think the goal that most of the franchisees have, and one of the most main factors why I wanted to get involved in Indian football, is we have a dream at the ISL that, as you all know, the Under-17 World Cup is coming to India in 2017, and we're going to have a team, so we want to put up the best possible team that we can. And obviously the dream is to qualify for, the football FIFA World Cup. And that is a dream I think everybody over here believes in. And that is going to be imperative to drive and inspire the kids to get involved in the grassroots program. I have no pressure. I said I have no pressure on these guys. I expect them to enjoy themselves. I expect them to give it their all. And that's it. Winning or losing, see, it's a sport. Somebody's going to have to win. Somebody's going to have to lose. There's no pressure at all. I want them to finish the season and say, we had the most fun team. We had the best time. Whether we win or lose is not good. Obviously, everybody would like to win, but that's not a pressure at all. I'm very happy. I've already got the Kabaddi Cup with me, and if these boys manage to get us the ISL Cup, fantastic. If not, we'll still have a rocking time during the season.
Abhishek,
Which is
Shweta,
one team that you are, you think that they are the best and you have a competition from them?
It's actually weird. Somebody asked me the same question when we were doing the press conference for Kabaddi, and actually I think it's the same city. I think on paper Mumbai has a very, very strong team. They have a very passionate owner in my friend Ranbir, and I really think Mumbai is really a very strong team. Having said that, everybody has great players, everybody is very well prepared, and at the end of the day, like Mike Tyson said, everybody has a plan till you get punched in the face. So what happens on the field, nobody knows. Everybody had written off the Jaipur Pink Panthers. On paper, we were the weakest team, and we went on to win it. In the inaugural IPL, Rajasthan was considered the weakest team. So you can't really say. At the end of the day, it depends on all these boys and what all they're going to do on the pitch.
अभिषेक, श्वेता एबीपी न्यूज से
Namaste.
नमस्ते अभिषेक, इस बार आप जीत के साथ शुरुआत करना चाहेंगे या हार के साथ?
That's a very good question. So he's asking me, Boyan, that this time, do you want to start with a... Boyan is not even listening to me. I've already lost control of all my players. He's asking me, do I want... You understood? You understood? So he asked me, do you want to start the season with a loss or a win? The reason he's asking is because my Kabaddi team lost their first match and then we were unbeaten for the rest of the whole... Dekhiye, when we lost, when the Pink Panthers lost... our inaugural match, it was like chalo kala tika nazar ke liye. हमारा लोगो ही नजर बट्टू है, so Yeah, I think we'll be good. I don't think these guys like losing a lot. So, yeah, they're going to do everything to win. It doesn't matter. Like I said, as long as they all remain healthy and they're fit, I'll be fine.
Abhishek.
Abhishek.
Hi, this is Abhishek. Hi, this is Sonia here.